Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to make Instagram story icons smaller. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is to open the Instagram app on any phone or Android device. As you can see, my icons have a pretty normal size, but if your icons are much bigger than normal or something like that, then you want to take a screenshot first. We will use the screenshot for later. After that, you want to go to your Instagram profile and tap on the three horizontal lines, then Settings and Privacy. When you open this page, we need to scroll all the way down until you can find the Help section. Then we need to report a problem, and when you get here, you need to write to the Instagram support team and write what the issue is. Tell them that your story icons are too big and kindly ask them to make them smaller and resolve your issue. You also want to upload the screenshot that we took earlier. Hopefully they will answer you within a day or two and solve your problem. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment